So people have been asking me about this phrase that nurses eat their young. Is it something that's happening? Yes. Have I experienced it? Yes. And how do we deal with it? So let's get into the video. Hello there, beautiful people. I hope you're doing just fine. So what does the phrase nurses eat their young really mean? It means that nurses who are senior than you, let's say you're a new nurse, or let's say you're a junior nurse, so the nurses, let's say like the nurse in charge, they're treating you harshly, they're like embarrassing you, they're calling you names, they're making you feel like this is not the place for you. And this is really bad because some people may end up quitting their job or quitting nursing school because of the way someone is treating them. Remember, you're not the same. So it's something that is really happening. Like for the 3 years that I've been practicing, I've seen like so many things. Like because we've been in different hospitals, I think that each and every hospital that I've been to, this thing is happening like almost every day. Like you may see, let's say a new nurse is around and the other nurses or the senior nurse or nurse in charge is treating them like they don't know anything. You know, when you're new to a place, yes, obviously you don't know some things, you don't know where some things are placed, and you find that maybe when they ask for these things, they're treated like, how come you're a nurse and you don't know how to do these things? How come you're a nurse and you don't know how to give such and such medication? And they're treated so badly, and it's so embarrassing. And let's say even for students, you're a new student, you've never done anything like this before, and you're there, you're asking a question maybe to a nurse or maybe the nurse in charge, and they're there to you like, you are a nurse, you should know such things. I know things like this are taught at school. You should be able to do such things. And at times you may end up making a mistake. And remember, you're dealing with other people's lives, so you're not supposed to make any mistake. And when they treat you like harshly like that, you may end up doing other things that are not required. You may end up taking other people's life because, let's say, it's giving a medication. You went to that nurse and they're like, I don't know how to do this. And they're already shouting at you that you've been here for almost 2 weeks. You don't know how to give this and this kind of medication. You may end up giving a higher dose and you may end up costing someone else's life. So nurses eating their young is something that is happening, and it's something that is not right because it is really costing some people like so much in their lives. So let's say you're a junior nurse or a new student, and let's say a nurse or a nursing in charge is treating you harshly. Just make sure you don't react. Like if you're this person who is ready to react, like they're shouting at you and you also want to shout at them back, you're really going to destroy your own time in nursing school or in that hospital that you've been placed in. So whenever someone is trying to treat you harshly or shouting at you, just make sure you calm down, and if it's really getting onto you, make sure you report it to someone else. You can report it to a senior nurse, or if you're a student, you can report it to your trainees, so that it doesn't get to you, so that you don't react badly, because it's going to really cost you. Maybe you can even be expelled from school only because you reacted towards it. So when you're experiencing such a thing, just make sure you calm down, you report it, and you can just talk about it with your friends so that it doesn't really make you that much sad. And for the senior nurses who are treating other nurses like as if they're trash, just remember that there was some day that you were also a student nurse. There was some day that you were also like a new nurse somewhere before you became that senior, and you wouldn't want someone to treat you the way you're treating them. So anytime, let's say you're treating someone in such a manner, just place yourself on their shoe and imagine if someone was treating you the same way, would you have taken it lightly? And sometimes people quit because this is not what they expected. Like when they were getting the perception of working as a nurse, they thought that it would be maybe a happier place where people like work together, and then you're there and you're finding like everything is totally different. So I think this is something that should be kind of introduced into the syllabus on how to deal with anger and how to deal with such kind of people, because some of us, we like don't take nonsense and we end up doing things that will cost us. And for my experience, I remember this one time we went for our first rotation, and it was at the male medical ward. And for Kenya, we usually don't have like the nursing aid. Those who are there, they only do cleaning and maybe serving food, and you have to do all the other things like bed bath, giving bedpans, changing of diapers. So you can imagine you're a new student, you don't know how to do some of these things, you're feeling like they're just nasty. And there was this nurse, I'll never forget her. She used to come there like, I want you to imagine it's your first week and she's there like, I want you to start doing this and this and this, changing the patients, giving them the bed bath and changing their diapers. At times this is something that you've never done before. And I remember like for the patient I was assigned to, he was a bedridden patient, and now like changing the diapers. So you know there's a way that I think the flip is usually on the back side, then you have to like, you know. So for me, I placed the diaper on the wrong side, and instead of her coming to tell me like that is not the way things are done here, she's already shouting at me like, where were you born? You don't know how to do such things. What kind of a person are you? And you're like, there, I mean, you are new here. Some of the things you have to be taught how to do. You don't come from home knowing how to do everything, and they're shouting at you all the time. I think I spent like 2 months there. Each and every day someone is always shouting at you, only because maybe you've done something. And at most of these times they haven't even shown you how to do these things, and they're already shouting at you. And sometimes they even shout at you for no reason. Like I remember there was this time, I think in my 3rd year, on a rotation, and there was this nurse who was like, you can just see the way my hair is, and she's like, I don't like your hair, you have to cut it down, I don't know, you look like what. And I was like, if you see other nurses, they have braids which are hanging all around, they're collecting all the body fluids inside this hospital, and you're here busy like complaining about my hair. So at times what you do when they just treat you in such a way, you just keep quiet, and maybe you talk about it with your friends, because you end up doing some things that you don't even want to. Because I think when she was talking to me, I was just quiet, and I was just looking at her like, you're busy complaining about my hair, and yet you have a hair that has lasted even more than 4 months. So at least you just keep quiet yourself and talk about these things inside you, because if you're someone who's ready to express, you're really going to follow some consequences. So I was there like, what is she even saying? Why is she even talking to me? So you just keep quiet about it, and after that you call your friends and you talk about it, and you laugh about it, and you forget about it. So that's the way you can deal with these people. So guys, if maybe you have a different experience with nurses who eat on their young, you can comment it down on the comment section. And maybe if you think it's something that it's not there, you can also tell me, because you know this all depends on you. Like if you're someone who doesn't take things like personally, and you're always just like, I don't know even the reason why she told me about that. So these kind of people may end up saying that this phrase is something that is not there. But maybe if you're someone who really takes things seriously, you'll say that this phrase is something that applies to you like all the time. So you can tell me that down in the comment section. And if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and make sure you share the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.